Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something super cool. We have ourselves a little storage container here with a whole bunch of miscellaneous stuff. We've got screws, we've got nails, you've got inserts, you've got nuts, bolts, a whole bunch of really cool stuff. We'll pop this open, take a little look. You've got a couple extra containers. These are super great because you can use them for anything you want. I don't know, maybe you've got an automobile and you want to throw some fuses in there. Put in your fuses. I don't know, maybe you like to go fishing. Put in some lures. Do whatever you want to do. You got some screws, some of the inserts. Super cool. Here we got some bolts, washers, nuts, all sorts of really, ooh, even some thumbtacks. Nice. This thing literally has everything. Got some little hooky-doos there. That's really cool. Nails. Psh. I love this thing. Maybe I'll get two. I'll put that back in there, And then here's one of my favorite parts. Off I go. But before I go, if you need this or any other tool or part, you can check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.